Well, hello everyone. Dave Cook, DeFranco Painting, and Anthony and Britton are in the back. We're just finishing up a job. The house is being sold, so we painted everything pretty much to help with the sale, but it just needed a lot of painting. So all the trim was done, walls repaired, front den, foyer, living room, I guess dining room, but like main living area. And then we did the hallway towards the entrance. Laundry room, spare bedroom, bathroom, and then just coming to here, it's like a kitchen eat-in area. Again, everything got moved out of the way so I could paint behind it, ready to go. And then finally the master bedroom and master bathroom. The only thing we didn't do is closets. They decided not to do that, but otherwise all the walls are painted. We used Super Paint Velvet Sheen for all of the walls, and what do we use? Pro Classic White for the trim. So you got questions on painting and how painting can help with sale of a house? Love to see how we can help you out with that process. Otherwise, have a blessed day, and give us a call. We'll see how we can help you. Love the space you're in with painting, wallpaper, catenary finishing. Oh, and this is a house in Huntley, Del Webb too. All right, have a great day.